Good day to all employers. My name is Arya Timoy. I'm 38 years old from Occidental Mindoro. I'm married. I have one children. I'm hardworking, trusting, flexible, and honesty. I have 7 years experience to working abroad. Saudi Arabia. Household. Cleaning the house, ironing, doing laundry and cooking. And taking care of newborn baby. And taking care of children. Newborn baby is 6 months and one is boy is 4 and 6 years old boy. I have 2 years experience to working abroad in Abu Dhabi. Household chores, cleaning the house, ironing, doing laundry and cooking, and taking care of newborn baby, and taking care of 3 children. Newborn baby 7 months, 3 years old boy, 5 years old boy, and 8 years old is girl. I have 3 years experience to working abroad in Taiwan as a household chores, like cleaning, ironing, doing laundry, and cooking, and taking care of 2 children. 2 children is, one is 4 years old and 7 years old. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.